We are about to show you guys the best hangout spot in the world to date.
Yes, sir. What is up, YouTube?
What's up, guys?
We are on our way to our location, our little spot that we're working on.
It is a great spot, by the way. I'm driving, so like I'm gonna kind of not look at the camera as much.
But yeah, no, it's a great spot. It's been a lot of fun working on it. We're just gonna show you guys around a little bit.
All right, guys, so we just got to the forest. We're about to walk back there. We'll show you guys what's up.
All right, guys, we just made it to our little spot, our little fort. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. Yes, sir.
It's very discreet. We're in the middle of the forest, guys.
We all heading out.
Off we go.
All right, guys, so we've arrived. This is the path to the location. We got some trees. You can tell that this here is a tree, by the way it is.
Beautiful.
You know how it goes. Leaves, branches, nature, all the works, everything. That's what we got going out here. Now this is our spot, you know? It's our hangout. It's pretty fantastic. Right here we got this little welcome mat. You know, we dug it ourselves, poured the gravel, brought the bricks out here. It's a little muddy. It rained, flooded back here, so
Pretty bad.
pretty bad. Yeah. And then we got these benches. We hauled these out here ourselves. Fire pit. We brought a whole bunch of tools out here, dug this fire pit, laid these bricks, got it all set up.
There was gravel on the bottom, but you can't see it right now. Oh, kind of.
Yeah.
It's kind of all covered up, though.
Got muddy.
Yeah.
Got flood, yeah.
We have a time lapse. We'll insert that right now.
We got these nice little cup holders we brought out here. This bench, all this stuff right here. You see, this is our tree of things, our tree of trash, things that we found that we like, kind of stuck out to us. We got this water bottle right here. What does that even say? Goal Zero. This cool little hubcap. Don't know what that symbol is. This little construction sign and a spider web apparently, and this metal grate.
Just random stuff. We're basically hoarders.
Yeah, we're hoarders. You see that little tube and piece of, what is that, like plexiglass?
Yeah. Don't worry, guys. We didn't bring this trash out here, okay? We are not littering.
And we've cleaned up so far. So we got these tires out here, you know. And right that way, we got a little something special.
So as we head out this way, as you can see, and when you look to this way and this way, this is kind of what the vegetation looked like all throughout here. We had to chop down, you know, part of this. You can see we chopped down this like whole tree right here so we could get out here. There was thorn bushes all over the place.
It was nasty.
We got pretty cut up, not gonna lie, whenever we were doing that. But we come out here. You see, there's a thorn bush on this side, and it continues over on this side. It was pretty nuts, not gonna lie. We have all this trash coming soon. We will probably come out and clean up a bunch of this trash in a video, so stay tuned for that. But as we continue to walk out, you can see all this mud around our feet. But, oh, there we go, I'm sinking in, all right. But as you come out here, we gotta clear out all this vegetation. This is what it looked like all around us. So, we're very proud of ourselves. We've done this in like a total of, I think, 6 days of work, so some hard-working men. Like, oh my goodness, there goes a stick. Hard-working men, hit us up, ladies. As you come out here, you can see the water all the way out there. It's a really pretty place to be. You know, it's very relaxing. You can hear the birds chirping and the frogs croaking all around you. It's really just a beautiful place to be. So now we can head back in. Hopefully, by the way, we're going to build a floating dock that we can like put in there and then take out whenever we want. So that's a project to be worked on. All right, as we come back in under the canopy, you can see this cross. We found this wood all in there. It was entangled in the thorn bush, but we got it out, took an axe, chopped it right there in half, or not in half, but you know, about 1/4 to 3/4, and then we drilled this together. It's not the most sturdy thing. We're gonna come out and make it a little bit more sturdy in the future, but it survived a whole thunderstorm. It's doing pretty good. I'm pretty proud of it. I'm glad that we got this up. So it basically kind of marks this place as a great place to come out, read your Bible, relax. Hopefully we'll have some Bible studies out here in the near future whenever this pandemic is over, so that we can, I mean, even out here you could practice social distancing, to be honest.
We got some good space.
Yeah, so we have some space. But now we will take you over here into this kind of other section of the hangout spot.
This spot, part 2.
So all this, except for this right here, we found all of this stuff in the trash. We got it. We took off the top of this table and then took some plywood, drilled it up. We have it stuck. We just have some decorations on the table just for fun. But now we just made this tabletop. We had the base from the old table, got these chairs from the trash, and we got these chairs and that out of the trash, all out of the trash. You know, we're just reusing what people didn't want.
One man's trash, another man's treasure.
Exactly. And so we're just kind of out here trying to make this a fun spot to get together with our friends, maybe learn a little bit about God, you know, as we always want to do in this beautiful spot in the middle of the forest. So yeah, that's basically it. This is kind of our spot. You'll probably see us record some YouTube videos. We've already had one done, and we'll link that up whichever side it's on. One of these corners, it'll pop up, and go click on that, watch that next. But yeah, that's basically what we wanted to show y'all, and we are super excited for what is to come with this place, and we will keep you guys up to date. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. We just wanted to show you guys basically what we've been doing.
We've been
besides our AP test.
Yeah.
That's been crazy.
Those AP tests are rough, but we've been working really hard on this spot out here in our free time, and it's been a lot of fun. So we wanted to show you guys a little bit of this, a little part of our lives.
Yeah, we're trying to make this YouTube channel great. So we wanted some multiple spots to be able to film rather than just at a house sit down videos. We want to be able to come out, you know, maybe do some vlogs. Maybe we'll do some out here. You never know. Just want to show you guys what's up. Sorry that we haven't been posting like any of the regular videos that we really do, because you know, AP testing is nuts. But I just finished with all my tests, and he has his last one Thursday.
Last test on Thursday, so you should expect this Friday some more sit down vids. Let's talk about the Bible, and make sure to leave your requests down in the comments. We always look at those.
Yes, please comment. We want to see what you guys want to see in the future. But just like that, this video's kind of over.
This is gonna be it for this video.
Peace.